Hey, how you doing? Justin here. Do you feel like you got a poor sense of rhythm? Do you struggle to stay in a groove when you strum? Maybe even if you get the strumming right, it still doesn't feel good. Developing a great sense of rhythm and having strong strumming technique is, in my opinion, the most important skill that a guitar player should develop, and for many people, it's the one they struggle with the most. In this Strumming Foundations course, we're going to start at the very beginning. We're going to start with real simple technical stuff like what pick you should use, why it's really important that you get your pick at the right angle. We're going to look at body mechanics, how to tap your foot. Real simple things, but they're so simple they're often overlooked, and if you don't get them right, you'll always find strumming a struggle. Once we're through the technical stuff, we'll learn the essential eighth note strumming patterns, and I'll show you how to make up your own. We're going to look at how to monitor your progress, and I'll teach you how to automate your strumming patterns so you feel confident, you play in time, and you find your groove. Along the way, I'm going to give you all my very best tips and tricks to help you build a super strong strumming foundation. I really hope you'll join me for it. I'll see you soon.